What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. We try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I've tried to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Oh, you know I've tried to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
Hello everyone! Yan today, bali may na-accomplish na naman tayo today kasi nasira yung namin microwave. Hindi naman nasira, it's still working. Pero yung rotating plate sa bottom, nag-rotate ng plate, hindi na siya nagro-rotate. So yun, inopen ko siya sa pagandahang palad, na-fix ko siya after pa yung Phoenix natin today. Itong Samsung na oven. Ayan, yun yung ginawa natin kasi itong oven na malaki na to, kasi to for baking lang. Pero yung mga pizza at saka lasagna, doon kasi may magandang program yon. Kasi pag pizza dito ilalagay, sobrang dry. Doon talaga may pang pizza, thin or thick. Ang ganda ng program ng ng microwave oven. So ayan, bigla ko nalungkot, nag-stop. Actually it also stopped before, pero naging okay naman. Pero ayan, so thanks to God, we were able to make it. At saka ngayon, nandito tayo kasi naglilinis po ako ng quad. Kasi ibibigay natin to. Kasi this is too small na for Beatrice. So ibibigay natin sa kapatid na kaklase ni Bea. Lagi ko kasi nakikita yon sa school. So tamang-tama to para sa kanyang age. So we already asked the mom na ibibigay namin to kung okay lang sa kanya. Okay naman daw. Kasi sabi niya nga, hiningi daw to ng anak niya. So, yeah. My husband already charged it. Yung charger na to, ipadala din natin to. Ito yung quad na ibibigay natin. Yan. So, we will, it has a cover here. Chinarge kasi namin. Kaya, yan. Ganyan siya. So, we will give this to the brother of the classmate of Beatrice. Linisin ko muna kasi nakakahiya naman. Madumi. Diba? So, ayan. So, bukas, na namin to. Dadalhin namin to sa school. Napaalam na kami kay Bea. Pinapaalam namin yun kay Bea. Baka biglang hanapin pa. Tapos, diba? Sa kanya to eh. So, we already asked her na ibibigay namin. So, okay naman sa kanya. Kasi, may gift na naman si Bea na ma-receive. I told her she has a gift for Christmas. So, she don't need this one. She don't need this one na. Nauulan na lang to sa labas eh. Hindi na nagagamit. So much better to give it away. The kid will enjoy this one. Diba? Usually say okay. Hindi ko pala na-record yung tinanong ko siya na kung okay yung yung bigay yung book, yung book. Napakita kasi siya ng book niya. Hindi ko din na-record. Kaya na. Kasi borrowed book from the library. So yun. We always have to the decision of the kid. Kahit bata pa mga yan. Since naibigay na natin ito sa kanila na to. So, when you give it away, as permission from them, kung okay din ibigay. Yan. Kasi yung asawa ko, yung ibang toys na hindi niya talaga pinamimigay yun eh. Sa kanya lang talaga. Saka kay Beatrice, yun lang. And then, you have to give it again. Until, I don't know how many generation pa yan. Ganun sa dito mag-value ng mga gamit. Sobra-sobra. Ang value ng gamit. Ayan, nalinis na natin. Ito na siya. Finale. Yan. Parang bago lang, no? Yan. Parang bago lang siya.
What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. We try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? If there's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life.
So, makioso po tayo. Unboxing again, and this time happy na unboxing. Kasi last time, yung bakit? Yung last na video natin, yung unbox natin is yung plancha. So, sino bang masaya na hindi ko po hobby talaga yung mamlancha? One of the household chores na hindi ko po talaga ikinatutuwa yung pagplancha. Kasi I don't know. Cleaning up, washing the place is okay. And anything, pero yung plancha po, hindi ko talaga ano yan. So this time, masaya tayo dahil meron tayong i-unbox. Sa tagal-tagal mo nang nagluluto, di ba normally, nagigrill kami for the past years, palagi kami nagigrill sa labas. So since yung grill po namin ay hindi na siya ganun ka, I don't know, gagawin pa kasi namin yon maybe by next summer. So, hindi na ako masyado nagigrill. Lalo pag summer, tapos nasusunog yung mukha ko. Yung kita yung pulang-pula yung mukha ko, it's because of the temperature also. So, yun. So, since when I was working in Japan, hindi din kami nagigrill sa, bawal mag-grill sa apartment. Yun. Pero, kumakain kami ng grill. Yung sa Landmark Tower, there is a restaurant there, nasa ground floor, nasa, basement na nagigrill sila. Tapos, we have a 200 yen off kasi yung food is 1,200. Pero pag nag-work ka kasi sa company na yon, may off sila. So, 200 yen off. So, 1,000 yen na lang yung binabayaran, yung lunch. So, yan. Because I really like grilled food. At saka ito, since na yung asawa ko ay nabudol natin ngayon, pumunta kami sa store. Sabi ko, bili tayong tinapay. Pero alam ko may bibilhin kasi ako. So, ito, i-unbox natin together. Kasi, uso to ngayon. Ito yon. Tapos, gusto ko kasing mag-grill. Kasi na-prepare ko na yung meat, yung pork na ating lulutuin dito. Asawa ko, may plano na pala. May masabang hangarin pala pumunta doon sa store. So, yun. Ito lang naman, minsan lang naman ako humihingi. Pero this is already, I told him, this is naman, hindi naman to na dahil gusto ko lang. It's also because na para maging healthy yung niluluto natin, hindi tayo palagi nagpriprito. So, ayan. And then, wala ding electricity na gagamitin, gas, kasi ilalagay mo lang to sa taas. Parang nagluluto ka lang din. So, ayan. So, I'm excited to open this one. Kasi magigrill nga, gamitin ko na nga siya later. Right away. Agad-agad. Gamitin natin, di ba? Ba't natin bibilhin? Tapos antayin pa natin yung Christmas. Gusto ko nang kumain ng, ng grilled na pork chop. Oh! Nilagyan ko na ng kalamansi, ng toyo. Oh, may toyo ka, girl. Yun. Nilagyan ko na. And this is... How many kilo is this one? This is cast iron. The same like our fireplace. Cast iron and enamel coating with excellent heat distribution. How many kilo is this? Suitable for use in the oven, long-lasting and high durability. Ideal for grilling, searing and grilling. So, ayan. How many kilo is this? We don't have you don't have a specification. Let's check. There is. Tingnan natin. Using your cookware. So, ayan. So, this is it. Pansit. Look at that. Very heavy. Yan. Ang bigat. Kasi gusto ko magsugba mamaya. Tuwa naman ako. So, diba? Hindi na ito para sa akin, but for the entire family. Kasi gusto kong mag-grill ng aubergine. How do you call that? Minsan, diba, nilalagay natin dun sa apoy yung direct sa oven pag nag-heat up, pag nag-grill. So, I don't want that. So, at least ito meron na. Malagyan natin. So, ayan. It's very, 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 very heavy. Cast iron. Very nice. So, thick. Ilang kilo to? Ba't walang specification? How many kilos is this? Because magagamit na natin kaagad. And I'll show you later. Ano naman yung ano natin? Ulam. Nyam, nyam, nyam. So, ayan. Very nice. But they don't have specification. How many kilos is that? But it's really, really heavy. Don't have specification. How heavy it is. But it's okay. That's not important. What's important is we can use this. Yan. Galing. Nakioso. O, diba? Yan, bili kayo nito. Mura lang naman siya. Pero, diba? I like it. Grill natin yung pork chop. Ooh, na medyo may taba-taba. Aba, yung asawa ko hindi ko makain yan. Bahala siya. Yung toy pala ng anak ko, dinala namin kaninang umaga. Kasi ibibigay na nga namin. Tapos, di ba chinarge ko yun namin kahapon isang araw. Tapos nilinis ko kahapon. So, habang nililinis, tinry ko naman, tinest ko naman. Okay naman siya. Maybe that was the last breath of the battery. Tapos, kanina, nung nasakay na yung bata, hindi umandar. Diyos ko. Naawa kami sa bata kasi umiyak siya. Classmate yun, kapatid ng classmate ni Bea yun. Tapos, syempre, sabi namin, ayaw naman ibigay na hindi umandar. So, sige, sabi namin, okay, mamayang hapon na lang. Umiyak yung bata. Sorry for him. Pero, sige na lang, mamaya. Dadalhin ulit namin kasi na-charge na kita, chinarge ang asawa ko at saka, okay siya. Kasi yung charger pala, okay yung sa labas, hindi na-charge sa main. Yun yung naging problema. So, we thought na na-charge na namin. So, hindi pa pala. So, yun, umiyak yung bata. Nahiya nga yung asawa ko kasi syempre, di ba, expected na ng bata na yun, na nasakyan niya tapos hindi umandar. Nakakahiya ibigay na hindi umandar. Pero okay yun, okay pa yun. Kasi 1 year pa lang yata yung kay Bea. Ayun. Kawawa naman yung bata, umiyak. So anyway, mamaya, okay na. Kasi tinest na ng asawa ko, okay na. So ayan. Happy grilling, Gemini. My love, thank you for the grill pan. I'm really happy. I'm really happy for this one. Kasi maraming usage to eh. Isda. Hindi na kami magpiprito ng isda. I prefer more to, grill kisa magprito. So, yan. Let's try this one later, di ba? Sana kayo din, marami din kayong matanggap this Christmas. Huwag nyo nang asahan na may unbox ako for Christmas kasi madami na binili. Tama na yun. Okay na. So, kay Beatrice, yung gift niya, hindi pa kami nagbalot ng gift kasi yung gift niya came from Espanya, yung hiningi niya. So, we already told her na hindi ka available dito. So, naghanap kami. It's available sa Spain. At saka yung gift ng asawa ko, manggagaling din sa... Your gift, where it came from? Germany or Spain?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You're talking about the speaker.
From Spain.
From Spain to. Okay. Galing Spain. Mas maganda yung kasi product ng Spain. So, mostly naman dito, yung mga kinakain din namin, galing din Spain. When it comes to mga tipas, yung mga pang sa wine. Pero when it comes to wine po, try nyo yung product ng Portugal. Masarap po yung product ng Portugal when it comes to wine. So, I hope na ma-receive namin ng earlier para ma-cover namin, mabalot namin yung gift niya. So, kasi, yung anak ko, gusto niya kasing syempre, gusto niya ng may kapatid. Kasi hindi na namin may ibibigay yon. So, na lang, minsan nagdo-drawing siya ng doll. para may kasama daw siya. Kawawa naman. So anyway, okay lang yun. Nag-iisa kang tagapagmana. So wala kang kahati. Someday you will realize it. So, di ba? May advantage, may disadvantage. So ayan. So yun na nga. Nag-grill na tayo. Hindi ko na video habang nag-umpisa ako kasi I hanging the clothes. So ayan. I'm excited for this. O, diba? May grill tayo. Hindi na kailangan mag-ano ako ng how do you call that? Yung charcoal. So, we can have this inside the house. At we have coleslaw. We have grilled pork. And we're going to drink white wine with that.
What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or
Ayan, next time. Until next time. Thank you for watching sa pagsulod ng buhay-buhay natin dito sa Portugal. Bye!